everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to officially, finally, after months and months of living here, I am giving you my official 2018 room tour. I can't even believe it's happening. It's one of those things where my room will never be like exactly how I want it, like perfect, but it is pretty much there now. So I figured I would just go ahead and show you. The anticipation can be over now. I don't even know what to say. I'm just so excited. I have never had a room that I like so much. I am obsessed with this one. I have so many things to show you guys that I got. And while I was decorating my room, I really tried to like be a bargain hunter and buy really inexpensive things. So I'm gonna share with you guys some of those little tricks. And I will do my absolute best to link every product that I can down below. If I can't find something or it's not for sale anymore, sorry, but I'll let you know where everything's from at least so you guys can go search it yourself. I wanna thank Dote Shopping because they sent our house a lot of the stuff that is in my room and in the rest of the house, which I'll eventually do a house tour. So to find a lot of the stuff that I did get, you can go to the Dote app, follow me, and I have a house and room favorites list where a lot of those items are listed and you can actually order them from that app if you want. I will also just try to link everything separately, but I did want to thank them for sending a lot of this stuff. I also want to thank DESENIO, which I will tell you guys about in a second when I show you. They sent us a lot of those art prints that you see on our walls in our bedrooms and in our house, and I actually have a coupon for 25% off that is only valid until the 14th. So if you guys are interested in purchasing any wall art, it's very inexpensive. It is so cute. You just can't get frames, unfortunately, because they don't ship to the US quite yet. But that code is valid for any prints, not the hand-picked ones, but anything else. They are so cute. I highly recommend. So I will also link that down below. And if you're curious about the process of how I put my room together and how I built things and made things, go over to my vlog channel, which I will also link down below because I have a lot of moving vlogs there since the very start up until now. And I'm still doing them every day because I always have stuff to clean and move. So if you guys want to check those out, I'll link the playlist down below. But without further ado, you guys, I really have nothing more to say. I am going to show you guys my bedroom. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. So when you first walk in my room, here is like an overall view. I think it's so cute. It's very bright. The colors are kind of white and black, minimal, and with a couple pops of pink and pops of wooden as well as like green for some plants. So that was kind of the color scheme I went for. So if you take a look at wall one, this is one of my favorite walls. You'll probably recognize it as the backdrop of a lot of my videos. So over in the corner, I have my whiteboard on my door, and then I have these little hooks that I just recently hung up to kind of just hold my purse, my keys, anything that I need. Then I have my desk. I love this area. It makes working so much fun. I just installed that shelf recently. And over on the right, I have this paper holder from IKEA. I love this because it's very heavy duty. I can stick really heavy things in it, and I also just think it looks really cute. And my desk lamp is also from IKEA. I really like how it looks. I added a little bit of fake plants just around there to make it look super cute. And these coasters I've had forever. They're from Anthropologie. Next, these wall grids. I will say I got this on Amazon for way cheaper than a lot of other stores that have them. The gold clips are also from Amazon, and this little desk organizer thing is from Target. I just wanted to stick with the white theme. So in there, I keep my hard drives and some office supplies. This pen holder is from Cotton On, and I DIY'd the other one. Then I have this nice little fur rug that I throw on my chair. Apparently it's the trendy thing to do. And just added some cute decor to my shelf. The shelf is from IKEA, you guys. It's so cheap. Those brackets are 50 cents, and that shelf itself is like $10. So that's kind of what that looks like. Next, we have my bookcase, and this bookcase was 30 bucks from Target. Oh my god, such a good deal. So I just keep some books on top as well as a bowl from my dad's wedding that they had blown. And then I got my Work Like a Boss light up box. I think these are so cute. I got mine at Target. And these pink crystals from Urban Outfitters. Again, I just added a cute little plant and the Positive Vibes Only, which is from I think a store called ANKIT. And then this gold paper tray from Target. And of course I had to stick in a cute little plant that is from IKEA, fake of course. This I also got from ANKIT, and this little wire basket thing from Target. On the bottom shelf, kind of boring, I got my printer, and I have some file folders for where I keep my medical, taxes, all that kind of crap. So here in the corner, I have these hanging plants. The fake plants are from IKEA. They were super cheap. These crochet kind of hanging down things, and the hooks I used are from Amazon. And then I have this Sometimes It's Okay If the Only Thing You Did Today Was Breathe poster from DESENIO. And I put my laundry basket over there, which is kind of random, but it's very cute. So here is an overview of wall number 2, which is my bedroom wall. I have 2 nightstands with these lamps on them from overstock.com. This clock I got a long time ago in high school, and these nightstands are from West Elm. I just like to keep some books, some journals right on the nightstand, and I like to keep this cute little eye mask, even though I don't really use them, but I just think it's cute. Slippers are a must because whenever I get out of bed, I really want to have my feet feel all comfy. And I just recently added all these pillows. I'm so happy with how they look. And I got my blue little throw blanket. So first, these Euro-sized pink pillowcases are from Amazon. They were very inexpensive. They are so comfy and cute. I actually DIY'd these Checkered pillowcases. They were so much cheaper than the ones sold at stores. So I will link the vlog down below where I show how I made this DIY. This Checkered pillowcase is from IKEA. I just stuck it around a pillow insert. I don't remember where the throw blanket was from, but my favorite part of the whole room, this gallery wall. So all of these prints are from DESENIO, like I mentioned, and I actually drew this out on Photoshop to see what it would look like first, and I just love the way this looks. I got my namaste in bed. It's sticking with that whole pink and green kind of theme. I really love how my bed looks. And of course, my favorite part of this wall is this hello sign from Urban Outfitters. It is so cute. I get so many comments about it every day. I will link it, obviously. It is so cute. And then I just have my other nightstand, same marble lamp, got a little cute little trinket. This candle is from Target, the same notepad from Cotton On that I have on my desk. And I just keep kind of some junk underneath. I still need to figure out what to do with that stuff. Wall number 3 is mostly my closet wall, but I have this cute crochet decoration from Amazon. And then I just have this basket from Target with this pillow from I think Urban Outfitters and this little and sign, which I don't remember where I got that, but I kind of just keep some extra blankets and pillows in there, and I think that it kind of adds a little cute touch to the corner. This is my giant closet, and if you guys didn't see my closet tour yet, I will link it down below. And another cute print from DESENIO. I just think it looks so cute, even in the mirror. Moving on to wall number 4, I have another closet, and I keep this stool with these little succulents just kind of there. I don't know. This cool peace sign hook is from Urban, I think. I could be wrong. I'll link it down below. I need to put some pictures in these little frames. Haven't done that yet. And then I got my TV. I got this lamp from Target, this shake your booty thing. A brand gave that to me. Candle from Anthropologie, and this little rose gold basket thing from Target. My favorite part of this wall, you guys, is this LED light. I got this little LED light strip from Amazon, super cheap. It comes with a remote, and I can literally have it be any color I want. It just adds a really cute inviting light into the room. Then I got my classic mom dresser from IKEA. Love it. Got my Work It Girl light up box mini version, which I am also obsessed with. And then we have my bathroom. There's not a whole lot to see in here besides another print from DESENIO. I got my towels and, you know, just kind of all my stuff. Check out my vlogs if you want to see more about this stuff. Just got some more prints. And then, yeah, that's what it looks like coming out of my bathroom into my room. I'm so happy with how it looks. What'd you guys think of my room? Oh my gosh, I love it. I hope you guys loved it too. I'm so happy with it. I've never been so happy with a bedroom. Everything is just so cute and how I like it, perfectly my aesthetic. So I really hope you guys liked it. Remember to check out any of the links. I also have a majority of the stuff that I said I got on Amazon will be in my Amazon store, but I'll try to link stuff individually to just make it easy for you guys. But check out the description box because I put a ton of stuff in there. And as I said, also, I did a closet tour already. So if you guys are interested in how I organize my closet and what kind of clothes I have, things like that, go check out my closet tour. I'll link that as well. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Click that notification little bell so that you guys can know when I upload, because I know YouTube is weird and sometimes doesn't tell people and it's really annoying. So be sure to click that bell, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. I have a ton of really exciting fun things planned for this summer in terms of video content, so cannot wait. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.